I'm going to talk about electrical kitchen. The electrical kitchen operates with voltage of 110 volts or 220 volts. It is connected with a potentiometer that will regulate the current that passes through the conductor unit of which the resistance of ceramic glass or nichrome wire that dissipate the electrical energy. The electrical kitchen conventional has a high percent of energy efficiency that reach 64%. Advantage. Price. Electrical kitchens are economical and easily to install. They are also simple to clean and can be located almost anywhere in the house. Technological advantage. You don't need to come in the kitchen as you get timely update from your device about how much time and left a cook. The device provides you with information on cooking time and temperature. Disadvantage. 4. Electrical kitchens have a designed with a flat surface where people can usually put their hand and acquire burn. It is because its internal resistance is inherent in such a way that is interrupted cooking time. First, the heat is transmitted to the resistance, then it is transferred to the concentrator, and finally to the pot or pan. All this takes time.
Hello, I'm Herrera and I'll continue with explaining about the induction cookers. Uh, how does this kitchen works? When the burner is turned on, the magnets are turned on and the copper coils inside creating a fluctuating magnetic field that constantly changes direction. When a ferromagnetic material is placed on the top of the burner, the magnetic field from the copper coil generates a current within the material. These currents are called focal currents. As the material where these currents act present an electrical resistance, terminal energy, and dissipate within the material as established by the Joule effect. This turn makes the energy loss minimal and makes the temperature rise faster than other conventional cookers. Let's talk about some advantages. We have selected two different types of advantages. The third one is energy consumption. The power consumption of an induction cooker is lower than an electrical stove and can be calculated using the power formula, volts by current, units in watts per hour. The savings are due to the current generating a magnetic field on the plate, transferring the inducing current to the utensil, pot, pan, and etc., where the magnetic field will be uniform on its surface. The second one is the cooking risks. These things don't cause explosions, poisons, or leaks, since they don't use GLP, so they are safer than electrical, gas, or GLP stoves. The last one is cooking time. Cooking speed is 1/3 of the time it takes for an electrical cooker. Since these kitchens have an alternating magnetic field, they transfer energy to the utensils, heating them quickly and efficiently. Same way, we have selected two different types of disadvantage. The price is the first one. An international induction cooker has a cost of approximately more than $600, corresponding to 4 burners. That is, the greater the number of burners, the greater the cost. The second one is the power source. Must be keep in mind when buying an induction cooker is that it doesn't work with all pots. As previously explained, the induction of a cold current only occurs in the material, and this must have a special quality, which is to be a ferromagnetic material. The last one is the cookware. Since this kitchen operates with electromagnetic fields, pots or pans must be made of ferromagnetic material with high resistivity. It's important to consider the size of the containers, as it must match with the size of the burner that owns the kitchen question. Conclude that the age of induction cooker defined several aesthetic and energetic innovations, and although the people who modify their electrical installations to change the chains, they complain about the price of the kitchens and their conductive ferromagnetic utensils, they obtain ease of cleaning and handling. Savings, comfort, and efficiency are notorious in the long term because with the proper use, this kitchen meets the needs of everyday life.